Today, we're gonna show you all how to set up the new GFC rooftop tent option. So the first thing you wanna do is get the ladder out of your storage compartment. This nice ladder comes with the rooftop tent option. So once you have it out, you're gonna wanna open it up. This camper's off the truck. So this is pretty low right now, but once it's on the truck, this ladder's gonna go all the way up. Here I have it partially up, but it's gonna hook into these nice ladder brackets. So this is on the Olympic. So I got these for safety. So you hook your ladder into the safety brackets there, and then you climb on the roof, and it'll be super easy to set up our tent. All right, so standing here at the back of this Olympic, you're just gonna pop out the little latches here. That opens it up, both sides. Whew. And then just pop it up. Just like that. Take about 15 seconds again. And now we're gonna open this up and just go set up our bedding and everything, but a few seconds and you're in your rooftop tent and ready to sleep. All right, so I just came through the hatch to get inside your rooftop tent. This one here is in tangerine, which lets in tons of natural light. The roof is actually a little bit see-through kind of, so light's coming in. And then you have these nice high-end zippers. So there's, bug screens obviously for bugs, and then your zippers for your screens. Lots of sleeping north-south in here. This tent is in the tangerine, obviously, which I love, my favorite, but this also comes in a nice gray color. So 2 different options of tents. Lots of space in here for sleeping. You put 2 or 3 kids up here, or 2 adults, no problem. And you get a beautiful view of our VR from this rooftop tent. So when you're done your camping and you want to bring it down, super easy and straightforward again. We always recommend leaving the roof hatch inside the tent open and your door cracked a little bit. Like that. So this is going to release the pressure. So now when I bring the tent down, all the air is going to come out through the roof hatch and out through the door. This is going to bring the fabric in like a vacuum instead of keeping the air in there, which would push the fabric out. So climb back up here. Super straightforward. So I'm going to grab the fabric on the sides, suck it in, and pull it down. Looks like we got it all in there. Tuck it all in here. Make sure the other side's good. Bring it down slowly, make sure it all stays tucked in. Nice and tidy. And then here, you just pull your latch out again till you hear it pop. There it is, clicked in. Do the other side, and you're done. So again, super quick and easy to set this or bring this thing down and finish your camp.